Hi! Legacy Family Tree 9 continues to lead the way in helping you organize, find, share, and now preserve your family tree. We've added some enhancements that you will definitely notice. Let's take a look. First up, Legacy 9 searches through billions of records from the key websites for new information, pictures, and stories of your ancestors. As you add to your tree, Legacy 9 begins the search for you. 23 hints at Genealogy Bank. Wow. Let's see what they found. An obituary in 1793. Yep, that must be him. Jeremiah died of cancer. I didn't know that. Thanks, Legacy. Next, see trends in your ancestors' medical history with the new cause of death charts. Natural causes, paralysis, old age, gored by a bull. Ow. Also new in 9 is the X-DNA color scheme. This shows the inheritance of the X chromosome over several generations. This joins our Y-DNA and our mtDNA charts. My personal favorite is the new Find a Grave tool. Go to Search, click the menu, and click Search. And there he is. Copy the memorial number, head back to Legacy, and add it to the new Find a Grave ID field. Return to the memorial anytime with the Go To option. It gets even better. You can create a list of everyone with a Find a Grave memorial, or even better, a list of deceased people without a Find a Grave memorial. Now you know exactly who to look for. Good stuff. When you discover stories about your ancestors, now you can record them with Legacy 9's new Stories feature. Just click on the Stories icon and add whatever comes to mind. This family struck gold in Alaska and wrote in a letter, "I never felt so lonesome in my life, and I never worked so hard in my life, but I never was so happy in my life. The money comes in so fast, we actually don't know what to do with it." I'd love to add that story to my screen. Stories can be linked to others in Legacy, can have citations, and even photographs. Stories may give you little pieces of information that you want to record elsewhere. Loring Lowell was a gold miner and a cook, and belonged to the Methodist Church. I wonder which other ancestors of mine share these traits. Legacy 9 makes it simple to answer this question as it introduces another industry first, the hashtag. These are a few of the hashtags I've created. Look, 7 of my relatives have had their DNA tested, 5 were carpenters, and 23 served in the US Civil War. Click on Create List, and there's your new custom report. Now that your tree is growing, you'll want to back it up to Legacy 9's brand new Legacy Cloud, an online secure storage area. Just go to the backup screen, place a check mark next to Backup to Legacy Cloud, and start your backup. Since you can back up to your computer, USB drive, DVD, or to the Legacy Cloud, you'll never need to worry about your data. But if you do need to restore a backup from the Legacy Cloud, just go to Restore File, Restore from Legacy Cloud, and the backups are there waiting for you. It also makes it even easier to transfer your data to a second computer. Ever wonder if the John Williams you found is the same as your John Williams? Until now, comparing them side by side could only be done manually with a spreadsheet, a table, or even a pad of paper. Legacy 9 introduces the Chronology Comparison Report. First, select your John Williams. Then select the John Williams you think is your guy, and click Preview. The report compares the two side by side and with built-in algorithms uses color coding to point out significant similarities or differences. Looking at the end of their timelines, the data in red shows a major incompatibility. The John on the left died in 1935, the John on the right died in 1922. Details like this could be missed when analyzing the two in other formats. Speaking of color coding, Legacy 9 expands its popular 4-color coding system. You've seen it in the pedigree view, where the father's line is blue, and the father's mother's line is green, and so on. We've now added it to the index view and name list, making it easy to know in what part of your tree the names belong. Legacy 9 comes with 2 more reports. The Family Dictionary report presents your family in, well, dictionary format. Sorted alphabetically by surname, it gives you a snapshot of all the vital details about each person. Another one of my faves is the new Family Tree Bingo report, which will be perfect for our next family reunion. Create cousin cards, ancestor cards, and even calling cards. Testing this at home, it's been a fun way to teach my kids about their ancestors. Legacy 9 comes packed with other enhancements like the 2 additional custom toolbar buttons, viewing all 9 tags in the name list, and media being auto-sorted by date, among others. Welcome to the new and enhanced Legacy Family Tree.